canal section of the Rochdale to Bury Canal as it passes through Failsworth is the focus of our study area. Due to the diverse nature of the site, the decision has been made to split the distance into 3 clearly identifiable and unique sections, the first of these being the green section highlighted on the map to the northeast of the site. This area of the canal has a very classical appearance with cobbled towpath and Victorian locks and bridges. The canal itself appears to be in good condition, although it does seem to host a large amount of debris, especially around the lock gates. The Moston Brook Nature Site is built upon an old waste tip adjacent to the canal. It is in this section of the stretch that the canal connects with this green area and complements the relatively green surroundings of the canal. However, on another tip site, just across the canal and at the end of our research area, is the location that, due to contaminated soil, cannot grow vegetation on it successfully and as such detracts from the environment. The next section of focus does not conform with the previous, more classically designed canal infrastructure. Instead, the section that as a course we visited, near to the Tesco's superstore, is modern in appearance. A short distance along under the bridge, the open nature of the towpath area disappears as large blank facades line the side of the towpath. This lack of engagement with the canal continues for the majority of the stretch. Modern housing has been built on the opposite side from the towpath, although only a small element actually engages the canal in a productive manner. Litter within the waterway is of key concern at this point, as large amounts accumulate for the duration of the stretch, detracting from an aesthetically pleasing view. The red section indicated on the map illustrates the area where the physical conditions within the canal reach a level that hinder the potential movement of boats. Signage has been used to warn boaters about submerged obstacles in the form of concrete panels hidden just below the waterline, and this approach has been used throughout the stretch of water. Although many of the areas do interact with the canal in a positive manner, it is clear due to the condition of the towpath that there is a lack of maintenance in the area. Along this stretch there's also a large number of disused and demolished industrial areas directly adjacent to the canal that disrupt the scenery. Some of the key opportunity sites identified along the route include the contaminated land that could potentially be used for a children's playground. Also, the large disused Grade 2 listed factory that could be converted to flats. The potential for large-scale redevelopment based upon abandoned industrial areas to the southwest of the site, however, could potentially be the most successful. A stretch of our study area is classified as a site of special scientific importance, and as such, many constraints have been put on activities performed on or in the water. As such, developments that do take place must be focused primarily upon the canal surroundings rather than the water itself.